Well, greetings from the Denali Park Sled Dog Kennel. Didn't think I was gonna make it because of time, but I was able to squeeze it in, and I'm so glad I did. I'm gonna take a walk through and see some of these beautiful, beautiful pups, even though they're not pups. They just had a demo, so they're probably all resting. Look how pretty. I just want one or a dozen. Hey, yeah. Look at you getting the rubs. Look at you getting the rubs, yeah.
That is totally fine.
Apollo. Look at you.
You get back here. Oh, I know. Oh.
Hey.
I stopped doing it.
Hey, Apollo. Hi, baby. Hey. What a pretty dog. Hello. Oh, hi. It's good, yeah. Look at you, silly dog. Look at you, silly dog. Hey, folks. Captain Carmen here. I'd like to introduce you to Nepa, one of the Denali sled dogs. Look how precious. Just taking a chill. Thanks for making my Denali visit great. My Denali life is complete. I want one. Oh, yeah. What a good puppy. Come to Denali and pet a puppy. Or a dog, in this case. Yeah. This is Nepa. Look at me, Nepa. Oh, my Denali life is complete. Look at you, pretty puppy. Yeah. Hey, Nepa. Hey, baby. Oh, you like the rubs, don't you? Hey. Here's a little bit more from the kennel. And the inside where the caretakers take care of them. Names of past dogs. They said they keep them till about 9 years and they pass them off to adoptive families. Really neat.
Like you immediately discipline them.
On Denali, you can find a phone and a phone book. I didn't even know they existed. Only Denali.